If you want to keep your students engaged, adding gamification is a fantastic way to do so. Gamification is a simple but effective strategy where you integrate game-like elements into your teaching methods to make learning more fun and interactive. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to do it, and I'll share my favorite tool for this, which has an exclusive free trial available in the description below. Let's start with the first step, setting up clear goals and rewards. Just like in a game, students need to know what they're working toward and how they can win. This could be a badge, points, or even a ranking system that tracks their progress. If you make it visual and easy to follow, students will naturally stay more motivated. Next, introduce challenges and levels. Break your lessons into levels, where students have to meet certain criteria to level up. This can be as simple as completing a quiz, mastering a concept, or achieving a target score. The key here is to make each level feel attainable, but challenging enough to keep students on their toes. Don't forget about competition. A healthy amount of competition can drive engagement. You can set up leaderboards that show who's ahead or who's making the most progress. The competition can be between students or between teams. Either way, it adds that extra layer of excitement. But remember to keep it friendly. The goal isn't to stress them out, but to encourage them to push themselves. Next, give instant feedback. Games thrive on giving players immediate responses to their actions. Whether it's a point for correct answers, a badge for milestones, or just a quick acknowledgement of achievement, instant feedback will help students stay on track and motivated. Incorporating storytelling is another powerful tool. Just like games have compelling storylines that draw you in, create a narrative around your lessons. Frame the material within an engaging story that students can follow along with. It makes learning feel like an adventure, keeping them hooked throughout the course. If you're looking to add gamification to your classes, this software I've been using is an excellent choice. It lets you design quizzes, leaderboards, and reward systems that fit seamlessly into your curriculum. It's super easy to use and comes with an exclusive free trial for you to try out, but only if you're a viewer of this channel. The link is in the description below. Now let's wrap it up. The key takeaway here is gamification can make your lessons more engaging by setting clear goals, introducing challenges, creating a competitive atmosphere, offering instant feedback, and telling a compelling story. These elements keep students engaged, motivated, and ultimately more successful in their learning journey. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software in the description below and start gamifying your classroom today.